Hey guys, welcome back to Inventions TV. Apple's next generation iPhones are still some way off, but that hasn't stopped the online rumor mill from serving up some details about the upcoming iPhone 11. 3 iPhones are expected to debut in September, including successors to the iPhone XS and XS Max, and a sequel to the iPhone XR. While few are likely too excited about another LCD-equipped iPhone, Apple's flagship duo is shaping up nicely. They're expected to be the first iPhones to boast triple camera systems, the first to offer USB-C and the first to ship with iOS 13, which is expected to bring a system-wide dark mode to iDevices. We've rounded up all leaks and information available about Apple's 2019 iPhones so far. Let's get right into it.
Here we go.
Let's first talk about the design. The 2019 iPhone lineup is expected to look similar to the 2018 iPhone models, with a 5.8-inch screen, another 6.5-inch, and a 6.1-inch iPhone. Major design changes are not expected, but Apple is rumored to be planning to use a new frosted glass for the rear of the device, which would be similar to Google's Pixel lineup. Frosted glass will allow Apple to distinguish the 2019 iPhones from the 2018 iPhones. Up next, the displays. For the last few years, Apple has been working to bolster its OLED display supply chain for diversification purposes and to cut down its reliance on Samsung, who has supplied displays for the iPhone X, iPhone XS, and iPhone XS Max. Apple is said to be aiming for an all-OLED lineup at some point in the future, perhaps in 2019, but it's not clear if that will be possible given the high price of OLED displays. Rumors have disagreed on Apple's 2019 display plans, with some rumors pointing towards an all-OLED display and other rumors suggesting Apple will continue to use some LCDs. It's likely the 2019 iPhone lineup will look like the 2018 lineup, with premium OLED devices offered alongside more affordable LCD options. Now for the most talked about feature of the 2019 iPhones, the cameras. Most of the information available about the cameras of the upcoming iPhones point towards there being 3 cameras on the iPhone 11. Certain schematics which seem to be for an upcoming iPhone suggest that there will be a triple camera layout. Not only that, but part of a chassis supposedly intended for the iPhone 11 has also been caught on camera, and it matches the schematic, showing cutouts for 3 cameras in the top left corner. However, sources have mentioned that only the highest-end iPhone 2019, supposedly the iPhone 11 Max, will have 3 rear cameras, so it's possible the line in the regular iPhone 11 won't have a triple camera setup. The same source says that the other 2 handsets will have dual lens cameras and that the iPhone XR successor will stick with an LCD screen. There are some other small changes that are expected in the new iPhones. One new feature these phones might get is two-way wireless charging, allowing you to use the iPhone 11 as a charging mat for other Apple products. In order to make the most of that feature, the battery could grow, with reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggesting that the iPhone 11 could get a battery that's roughly 20 to 25% bigger than the iPhone XS. The iPhone 11 Max's battery could grow around 10 to 15% larger than the iPhone XS Max, and the iPhone XR successor could get a 5% larger battery than iPhone XR. That would all apparently happen without making the phones any thicker, as the laminate on the screen would instead be thinner. The same source for the first reversible charging tip adds that we might see an ultra-wideband connectivity, which would allow for improved indoor positioning. That could help with navigating interiors or might benefit AR applications. The new iPhones may even be easy to use in the rain. A new report claims Apple is experimenting with a new tech that allows you to use the phone's screen underwater. Also, as usual, it is pretty much certain that there will be a processor upgrade. Apple usually introduces a new chipset with its new iPhone launches, and the A13 chip is being touted for the iPhone 11, with analysts claiming a manufacturer is already lined up to produce the A13 chip. Inside the device, it is said that the iPhone 11 will include support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 connection standards, though 5G tech might have to wait until the 2020 iPhones. And finally, we have to talk about the price. Even without the official iPhone 11 price, we know it'll cost a lot. After all, Apple priced the iPhone XS and iPhone X starting at $999. We could see identical prices for the iPhone 11. So what feature are you the most excited about? Is there some other feature that you want Apple to bring to the new iPhones? Tell us in the comments below. Also, subscribe to the channel for more smartphone news. That's been it. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.